Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I show you something super exciting, a brand new AI tool that takes realism to a higher level. This tool creates ultra realistic people with mind-blowing detail, and the best part, it works amazingly well in generating two people in one image, something that the most AI generators struggle with. Stick around because I'm going to show you how it works, some crazy example, and why this AI tool could change the game for creators, marketers and storytellers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's jump in.
Let's get started.
Alright guys, the link to Reve AI you can find on the description on the video, okay? And you can register very easy with your Gmail account, and then you can find some inspirations here, and you can see there are a lot of cool images, a lot of cool stuff that you can make with it. And it is also very cool here in text, creating text. You can see here it looks so realistic in a bar or in a coffee shop, something like that. Or here the unraveling. Let me show you something. This is cool. Good morning. Or here the Porsche logo. Or this Gucci logo here. That looks so realistic. And just click on the image. And you can see here on edit prompt. You can see the prompt, what the artist used for this image. But the good thing here is you can use very simple prompts, and the really cool thing is here, because you can create very easy with simple prompts images with two guys, and the quality is really good. Normally on other image generators, when you want to create an image with two guys on the image, normally it is very bad. Normally one guy looks good and the other guy looks a little bit weird, or maybe the other guy looks a little bit like the first guy, but just a little bit, or something strange. Always happens. But here with this image generator you can create amazing stuff, and I would say let's try it. Now just you can leave the prompt, and I want to create an image with two famous guys here. A funny image. Let's do a wide shot of Vin Diesel sitting in a wheelchair, ready to start a race with Dwayne Johnson in his own wheelchair in the streets of Los Angeles. Night lighting, insanely realistic and cinematic. Here we choose the dimensions from the image, 16 to 9. It creates 4 images, and then you can create enhance on. If you turn it off, you can see expand your input into a detailed prompt to improve the image quality. And we leave this on auto, and then just click here on create. And now look there, we get these 4 amazing results, and I already can see what is the best one. Let's have a look at the first here. It looks a little bit, yeah, it's not so bad, but okay. A little bit blurred, the background here. Here go back, and this one. Okay, the Rock looks a little bit strange here. He have no muscles in his legs. Now go to the next one. It is not bad, but the face from the Rock is a little bit strange. And I don't know. Yeah, it's okay. When look closer it looks much better, but this is the very good one here. I really love this image here. That looks so realistic. And it was just with a simple prompt with one try, and you can see with two guys. And this is the impressive part of this new AI tool here. where you can create these amazing images, because you can create two guys in one image without any problems. So if you want to choose this image, then just click here on download. And then you got it as PNG. And if you want to edit this prompt a little bit, you can go back, maybe I can go directly here. Click here on edit prompt. And you can see here, this is the seed. And this seed, it will create this number. It will create almost the same image, but in a little bit different style. But what we want to do next, now we want to create an image from another angle, okay, from another camera angle, because I want to create a video with these images I make here. And this is why I want to create an image from the side angle now. Now in this image here we got a wide shot from the front, from these two guys. And now I want a side angle shot, okay. Now here we can have a look, a Dutch angle shot. And you can download this free ebook here in the link in the video description. And this is for images, and you can use them as well for video, and there you can find the best camera angles to use in prompts, okay? This is for free, you can download it there. And we want to use a Dutch angle or canted angle. Camera is tiled sideways. Just copy and go there. Paste it here. A Dutch angle shot where the camera is tiled sideways of Vin Diesel sitting in the wheel. Yeah, okay. Now click on generate again. Good, okay, it isn't sideways now, but it don't look so bad. I like it. You can save it for later, but in this image now Vin Diesel, he has another shot, and Dwayne Johnson also a little bit different, but no problem. Now we got some different here. Style sideways, create screwed, or view of the subject. Okay, Dutch angle shot sideways. Let's try it again. Go to this image, edit prompt, Dutch angle shot where the camera is tiled sideways. Alright, yes, much better. This is exactly what I want to see. Sometimes you have to choose some prompts a little bit more easier, like this prompt here. Not too complicated. And yeah, this is another angle I want to see in my video. Just download it. And maybe we can choose another one from the back view. Let's get back here. This is the only one that looks good. The other, don't look so bad. Look at this one here, but yeah, a red shirt is very different now. I don't want to use that in the video. Yeah, that looks also so cool. But now let's go back here. Just click on it, edit prompt, a wide shot from the back. A wide shot from the back. And now click on create. Yeah, perfect. The only problem we have here now, it is they changed the direction here, but this is not a problem. We can turn on the video into the other side then later in the video software, and here we can change the color from the shot from Dwayne Johnson. It's downloaded at first. There are some little problems we have to fix later, but this is not a big problem. See what we got here maybe. Okay, always the red shot. But here see we got Vin Diesel on the right direction here. So maybe we can change only his shot here. I think this will be much better, this image. You can also download it. Okay, perfect. Let me show you another cool function here. Click on the image and then you can see here Interact. When you click on that, you can choose, for example here, replace the car from the background. Oh, let me show you another image here. This one here. Instruct and replace the car from the background. Then hit the re-roll button here. And now look at this image here. It looks really good. They have very angry faces now here for each other, and there is no car anymore, and it is almost the same image here. You see the back. It looks more living, nightlife, and I really like this image now. Really cool. One more thing I want to show you here now. If you go on the Explore page here, then you find the plus button here. And now you can upload an image here. Let's try this one here. And this was an image I made for a client. I choose this image from Canva. And now let me show you how to change this image here, or how to create an almost similar image. Here, go to the Explore page and then hit the plus button. Then you can use an image here, and this image is something I found on Canva, just for example. And then now it will create something similar here. Now you can see it is this image here that we made now. And this was the reference image here. And look there. Looks really similar. Just a little bit different. The start up here you can see it shows up. Really cool. Another cool thing, if you click on an image here and then click on Edit Prompt, then you see some bold text or bold words here, and then when you click on it you see some alternative words you can use. For example, a close-up. We have a wide shot here. You can use a close-up shot or a bird's eye view or long angle. I can search for another here, same thing. Beautiful woman, handsome man, cybernetic android, fantasy elf. Short pinky and okay. And here you can edit the prompt a little bit, and then you can get some better results, or you can change anything how you want. And I'm sure this AI image tool will change the game when it comes to creating AI videos or films. If you want to delve deeper into the world of AI video, whether for film or for creating marketing videos, I have a masterclass for you. You can find the link in the video description.
If you found this tutorial was helpful, give a like and subscribe to our channel.